Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the glove material and selecting a stain medium that bonds well. Once done, test the dye or ink on a hidden seam or scrap to avoid surprises. You should clean the palm with isopropyl alcohol so the surface accepts pigment evenly. This increases adhesion and prevents blotches. Make sure to lay the glove flat and support the palm shape with a small ball or rolled cloth so the stain application is controlled and consistent from the first stroke. You now apply the stain in deliberate, thin layers to build color without saturation. Once you start, use a small brush or sponge and move in circular strokes, following natural creases to mimic wear. This helps the pigment settle into pores. Make sure to wipe excess immediately with a lint-free cloth, then let each coat dry 10 to 20 minutes. If drying is slow, you can gently warm the palm area from a safe distance to accelerate curing while maintaining even tone and avoiding runs. You finish by sealing the palm with a compatible top coat to lock the stain and reduce transfer. Apply 2 thin coats and allow full cure per product guidance. Once cured, condition the glove sparingly to restore suppleness without disturbing the color. This preserves grip and longevity. If you encounter blotches or uneven patches, act quickly. Lightly lift pigment with a dilute color remover on a cotton swab, let dry, then reapply controlled thin layers. This fixes mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.